Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Igloo. Both machines are designed to provide you with fresh ice quickly and conveniently, making them perfect for home use, camping, or RV trips. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, highlighting their speed, capacity, and unique features, so you can make an informed decision on which ice maker is right for you. The EUHOMY countertop ice maker boasts an impressive speed, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cylinder-shaped ice cubes. This slight difference in speed can be crucial for those who need ice quickly, especially during gatherings or parties. When it comes to daily ice production, the Igloo ice maker has a slight edge, producing up to 26 pounds of ice per day compared to the EUHOMY's 25.5 pounds. While the difference is minimal, it could be a deciding factor for those who frequently host large gatherings and require a steady supply of ice. The EUHOMY model features a convenient carrying handle, making it easy to transport for camping or outdoor use. On the other hand, the Igloo model is designed with a slim profile, taking up less counter space, which is ideal for smaller kitchens. Both designs cater to different user needs, whether you prioritize portability or space saving. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers offer excellent features for ice production. The EUHOMY excels in speed and portability, while the Igloo stands out with its slim design and slightly higher daily output. Depending on your specific needs, either of these ice makers could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.